Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 8, Light, Shadow, and Reflection. Video Part 2, 21. Which of the following will produce the darker shadow if the object is placed in front of a source of light? You can see this is the source of light. Glass window. Glass window is the transparent. The transparent object cannot form shadow. Butter paper. Butter paper is the translucent object, so shadow is not darker. Net cloth. Net cloth is also translucent, so its shadow will be like this only. Block, wooden block is the opaque one. So that's why its shadow will be darker. That's why option D is the correct answer. 21 answer is option D. Question number 22. A burning candle is placed on a table. We can see the light of the candle flame when we see it from bent tube. If we see it from the bent tube, we cannot see the light. Straight tube, yes. Using the straight tube, we can see the light. Spiral tube, we cannot see the light because light only propagates in the straight path. So 22nd answer will be your option B. U-shaped tube, no, we cannot see because light travels in the rectilinear path. Okay. Question number 23. Rahul and Ravi are standing on the opposite side of a closed door. Both of them are able to see each other clearly. Which type of substance is used to make this door? If they both can see each other properly, there is the transparent substance. The 23rd answer is option A because transparent substance permits the light to pass through it. Question number 24. Sunlight is entering from a window to a dark room in which a table is placed. A shadow of the table was observed on the wall of the room. To match the following on the basis of the above information. Wall will be the screen because the shadow is formed on the wall. Table table is your opaque object. Sunlight is the source of light, and process is the formation of the shadow. The 24th answer will be your option B. 24 is option B. Question number 25. Dash eclipse occur when moon comes between sun and earth. The moon is coming in between sun and earth to solar eclipse. Option B. 25th answer is option B. Question number 26. A glass sheet is given to you. By which of the following method it can be converted into an opaque object without breaking? So combining another same glass sheet with the given glass sheet? No, both are transparent, and if both are combining, so it means the both will become the transparent again. We cannot make it opaque. Covering glass sheet with a thin polythene bag. If you cover it with a thin polythene bag, then it will become the translucent, not the opaque. This is also wrong. Applying black paint on the both side of it. Yes, it will work. If you apply black paint on the glass sheet, then it will not give the permission to pass light through it. Okay? The 26th answer is option C. Question number 27. Which of the following is a characteristic of virtual image? It can be obtained on the screen. Virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. Okay? It is always inverted. No, real image is inverted. It is always formed in front of the mirror. It is not compulsory. It will always in front of the mirror. It can be behind the mirror also. It is always erect. Yes, virtual image is always erect. So D will be the answer. 27th answer is option D. Question number 28. Lunar eclipse occurs on dash day. Lunar eclipse will occur on full moon day. 28th answer is option B. Solar eclipse full moon. Shape of the shadow depends on the color of the object. No. Shape of the screen. No. Shape of an opaque object. Yes. Color of the screen. No. Like here you can see this is its shadow, this is their shadow. Okay. No. This is not their shadow. This is their shadow. You can just see. This is its shadow, and this one is this shadow, this shadow, this one. You can see the color is not impacting the shape of the shadow. Okay. So 29th answer is option C. Question number 13. Which one of the following is used as a rear view mirror in the vehicle? So rear view mirror is the convex mirror. Okay. So 38th answer will be option B. Question number 31. An incident ray falling normally on the plane of the incidence is normally means it is just falling like this. On the normal only, the angle will be 0 degree because the incident angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and the normal. So 31 answer is option A. Question number 32. This figure. The given figure is showing. The given figure, it means the plating part, silver plating part is in this side, and in curve side it is not silver plating. It means this is your concave mirror, and concave mirror is known as converging mirror. So 32 answer is B. Question number 33. Which of the following is a characteristic of image formed by a plane mirror? So by a plane mirror, it is erect, correct. It is virtual image, yes. Same size of the object, yes. All of the above will be answered. 33 answer is option D. Okay. Question number 34. Letter E is placed in front of the plane mirror. How would its image look like? And also name the phenomenon involved in it. So the E in front of the image mirror, it will look like E will be literally inverted. Literally inverted. It will look like in this way. Okay? Lateral inversion and in this way. 34th answer is option. Question number 35. Solar eclipse can be seen on solar eclipse. New moon. 35th answer is option B. Question number 36. Which of the following characteristics of an image does not belong to convex mirror? So this is your convex mirror. So you can see in the convex mirror, real image is formed. No, real image is not formed because all the images are erect and real images are inverted. Okay. Virtual image form, yes. Smaller image, yes. Here is the smaller image. Erect image, yes. 36th answer is option A. Question number 37. Name the phenomenon. Our right ear appears left ear, and when we see our face in the mirror, so right becomes left, left becomes your right because of the lateral inversion. Because of the lateral inversion. 37 answer. Look at the following figure and find out the angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is 45 degree and angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That will be also 45 degree. It is in the option number B. 38th answer is option. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a primary color of white light? The primary color of white light is green, blue and red. So not a primary color is orange. The 39th answer is option C. Question number 40. Wool is which type of medium? So transparent medium, no, we cannot see beyond the wool. Translucent, no, it is the opaque medium. The 40th answer will be options. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.